Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to request read receipts in Outlook Client. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders. This ensures everything is synced and ready before you start composing your message. Now that your inbox has loaded, look towards the top left part of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New Email. Go ahead and click on this button to open up a fresh email composition window. This is where you'll be able to access all the tools you need for sending emails, including the option to request read receipts from your recipients. Once the email composition screen opens up, direct your attention to the top of the window where all your email tools and options are displayed. You'll notice several tabs up there, including Message, Insert, and Options. Click on the Options tab to reveal additional settings for your email. This tab contains various features that control how your email is sent and what happens after it reaches the recipient. Now, before you start writing your email, look through the options that appear under this tab. You'll find a checkbox labeled Request a Read Receipt. Click on this checkbox to enable it. This is the key feature that tells Outlook to notify you when your recipient opens and reads your email. By turning this on, you're essentially asking the recipient's email client to send back a confirmation once they've viewed your message. It's particularly useful for important emails where you need confirmation that the message has been received and read. With the read receipt option now enabled, you can move forward with composing your actual email. Start by filling in the to field with your recipient's email address. Make sure you enter the correct address to ensure your message reaches the right person. Next, add a subject line that clearly describes what your email is about. This helps your recipient understand the purpose of your message before they even open it. After that, move down to the email body section and type out your message. Take your time here to make sure everything is written clearly and includes all the information you need to convey. Once you've finished writing your email and double-checked that everything looks correct, you're ready to send it. Look for the Send button, which is typically located at the top left of the composition window. Click on Send to deliver your email. Your message will now be sent with the read receipt request attached, meaning you'll receive a notification when your recipient opens it. And that's it. You've successfully set up a read receipt request in Outlook Client, and you'll now be notified when your recipient reads your email. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.